Welcome to Lake Toxaway, North Carolina, home to beautiful lakes and breathtaking mountain scenery. If you're traveling along Highway 64, just beyond the bend near Toxaway Falls, be sure to look for Eddie Hoots and his bear den. He just happens to make the best darn chainsaw bears in the Southeast.
My dad used to carry my brothers and me out to Montana every Sunday. These things are on every corner out there, and I just had to have one. My wood usually finds me. A lot of people bring it by and drop it off. And the local construction guys, I get a lot of it from them. A lot of times if it's carving I haven't done, I'll sketch it first to get it in my head. But a lot of times you'll just work it out as you go. This guy will take all day to carve, but I do more talking than carving. So that's a lot of it, you know. Yeah, after I carve it, I'll have to keep it until the wood is seasoned out. It'll take it 6 months or more. Well, she burns them, and then we brush all the loose burn off and just leave the color.
Is that like with a blowtorch kind of a thing?
Yeah, burn it with a torch. And we use nylon brushes and brush all the loose burn off and leave the color. And then we varnish them with marine varnish.
So there's...
Eddie found his passion for carving bears nearly 20 years ago, and he's been fine-tuning his craft ever since.
Now I've got one at home that I actually bought in West Yellowstone. The last trip, my dad took me out there. It's my favorite. I didn't make it. I carve in West Jefferson and I carve in Blowing Rock. I do Winterfest there. Sometimes I carve for Bob Timberlake. He's one of my better known customers, I guess. But this is my favorite spot here in Lake Toxaway.
So the next time you're up this way, traveling these mountain roads, be sure to keep your eye out for North Carolina's own Eddie Hoots and his bear den. Thanks, Eddie. We'll see you soon.